How to add or change the description of your channel or any channel on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or change description on Zoom. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now let's choose this channel, for example, right here. Click on your channel, and now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here. Go to the top corner, click on this, and now we will find the description option. Click on it and write anything right here. Welcome to my world, for example, and after you finish, click save. Now as you can see, it's saved, and this is the description of my channel. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.